that you can build and publish websites without any coding skills? Yes, nowadays it's possible with AI. You can build and publish websites in few minutes. Today we're going to be using Ready AI to create and publish a website. I will show you how it works and how you can create your own website. All the links mentioned in the video will be found in the description box. On Ready AI, you have two options. The first one is creating your website from a prompt. The second one is using a template. If you click on Start with Template, scroll down, you will have a list of templates that you can start with. Travel agency, Japanese spa website, wedding planner, all types of templates, or you can build yourself. First of all, let's have or create an account on Ready AI. Click on Get Started. You can continue using your Google account or directly using your email. After creating your account, this will be your prompt box where you will describe your website. So you have multiple options. You can write the description manually in plain language, or you can use the microphone or an image as a reference. Also, you have the option of website link. You can paste a link of a website which will be used as a reference for your website, and same goes for business cards, which will be an image reference as well. If you click on the adjustments icon here, you can select which type of website you're going to build, web or mobile, or only mobile. I'm gonna keep it as web and mobile. Now you need a prompt, and the most optimal way is to use ChatGPT and give it a description for your website, and it will give a well-detailed prompt for Ready AI. Let's move into that. On ChatGPT, I need a prompt for Ready AI website builder. I want to build a design agency website called High Designs, for example, but this will change depending on the type of website that you want to create, of course. The website will have a modern look with creative icons. Write a very descriptive prompt for the best results. Our prompt is ready. Now copy the prompt from ChatGPT. Copy. Go back to your prompt box. Paste the prompt. Of course, this prompt is adjustable. You can edit any detail based on your preference. Once you're ready, click on the send button. Here you will be transferred to the sections structure. You can adjust them based on first to last. Also, it is the name. For example, let's have this as home instead of hero. And you can add sections. You can see you have up to 10 sections for now, and you can add more later. Click on next. Here you have the option for AI generated logo. We're uploading a pre-made logo. For now, we click on AI generated logo. Click on next. And now you just wait. Our website is ready. Click on share to have a preview of your website. In order to edit a section, you click on selector and you manually select the icon or section you want to edit. For example, let's edit "Let's work together." And in order to do that, just write a prompt in plain language. Our prompt is change the icon color to purple to match the icon and the website theme, and update the text to try now. Click on the send button. In 30 seconds, the icon was changed as we asked. After you finish editing and adjusting your website, you click on Share to preview the website. Scroll, have an idea about how the website will look for users. Homepage, services, portfolio, about, contact. All right. Now let's have a look at the integrations that Ready AI offers. Click on integrations. You have a list of integrations. This requires no coding, just simple clicks. Here you have Google Analytics. For example, if you want to track website visits and clicks. Here, Stripe for payment on your website for users who want to use your premium services, and Shopify if you want to add product to your website. And you can also use Supabase to power your app with auth database storage and edge functions, as well as MailChimp to contact your customers and website users. You can also view the website on mobile form. On Ready AI, you can export the website to Figma or MasterGo as well, but this is a premium feature because right now we're using a free version, as well as viewing the code of the website built can be done through a premium subscription only. After making sure everything is as preferred, you click on Publish. Right here, you get a free domain, but you cannot create a custom domain as a free user, of course. If you click on Publish, now the website is live. If you click on the website link, you can see that the website is linked under the free domain that Ready AI gave you. You can scroll, check if everything is as designed. If you go to subscription, and you can see for the starter plan $25. Here you can see that you have export to Figma and download code, publish with custom domain and other features. In the Pro plan, you get more credits and up to 10,000 form submission per month. Right now, there's an event going by Ready AI. If you click on Join Our Build Off, you can see that there's an event for website builders. You can build a website using Ready AI and publish it, and you can be a winner in this event. As a final thought, Ready AI was able to create a website in less than 10 minutes, adjustable, very clean, and you can edit any section just with a prompt and a very detailed description, not like the drag and drop feature, which is very limited and you cannot adjust everything using that. If you want to create your website right now as a beginner, give Ready AI as a try, link in the description box.